Hi, this is Veldon Lim and you are watching Relationship. Shift your relationships, change your life. For the past 2 episodes, I have been teaching you on how to love yourself more this 2017. I gave you tip number 1, sabi ko doon, you need to start again. Give yourself the gift of second chance. Kung magkamali ka man, then you start again. Tip number 2 I gave you is to shun negativity. You need to stop listening to your doubters, to your bashers. As long as what you're doing is right and what you are doing is blessing the world, go on, move forward. Don't listen to them. And if you want more of that, you can check out those videos. It's posted on my page. But today, I'll give you tip number 3. I'll teach you how to free yourself from insecurity. Pero bago yan, iinom muna ako ng kape. And while we're at it, makapag-post na nga rin sa Instagram. Ayan. Post. Yan, here at Starbucks. Hashtag blessed. Post. Ayan. Meron ka bang kaibigan na nagpo-post din ng gano'n? Kape niya sa Starbucks. Siguro guilty ka rin dyan. Ako, guilty din ako dyan. I have posted many of that. Pero alam nyo, ito napansin ko parang wala pa ako nakitang kaibigan ko na nag-post ng coffee niya na 3-in-1 na nasa bahay siya. Bakit? Kasi here's what I've noticed. Tayo, we tend to post the highlights in social media. What we post is only the best of the best. Tama ba? Hindi natin pinopost yung mga nakapambahay ka, hindi mo pinopost yung kapag malaki yung eye bags mo, hindi mo pinopost kapag meron kang malaking pimple dito, hindi mo pinopost kapag kamukha kang dugyot. Bakit? We only post the best of the best. But you see, most of us, I believe, the root of insecurity is this. We tend to compare our behind the scenes to the public, to the social media lives of our friends, of the people that we follow. And minsan, yung comparing na yan, it's very toxic. Minsan, nakita mo yung kaibigan mo, nandun sa Boracay, nagbi-beach, meron siyang picture by the sunset. So ikaw minsan, pag kinumpare mo yung sarili mo, naiinggit ka, buti pa siya, nasa Boracay, ako nandito sa Boracay. Boracay sa bahay, di ba? Nandun ka lang sa kama mo, nakakainggit, di ba? O kaya nakita mo siya, nagko-coffee sa Starbucks, samantalang ikaw nasa 3-in-1 ka lang, yun lang ang iniinom mo. Kaya minsan, nade-depress tayo, nai-insecure tayo, feeling natin we are doing something wrong with our life. Pero alam nyo, kung minsan nai-insecure tayo pag tinitingnan natin yan, my suggestion is you stop comparing yourself, your private self, your behind the scenes, to their social media life. And let me remind you of this, yung mga taong fina-follow natin, yung mga friends natin, meron ding downtime yan. Meron ding part ng buhay nila na nagsastruggle sila. May part ng buhay nila nakapambahay din sila. May part din ng buhay na umiinom sila ng 3-in-1. So huwag ka masyadong malungkot. Bakit? Kasi we have our own journey. So what we need to do is to stop comparing ourselves to other people. Bakit? Kasi delikado ang comparison When we compare ourselves to people who we think are greater than us, our tendency is to feel insecure, feel very little. Pero pag kinumpara naman natin yung sarili natin dun sa mga taong feeling natin mas magaling tayo, mas nakakaangat tayo, mas maganda sa atin, mas gwapo tayo, mas gwapo, mas maganda tayo, ang tendency natin, di ba't yung mayabang tayo? Kaya delikado pag nagko-compare. So here's my suggestion to you. Sa akin, my suggestion is that you live your life. Huwag mong kumpara yung buhay mo sa ibang tao. Just move on with your life. May kanya-kanya tayong journey, may kanya-kanya tayong paglalakbay. And I believe God loves you just the way you are. Even if you don't have a perfectly Instagrammable life, even if you don't have a perfectly Facebookable life, even if you have so many flaws, ang Diyos mahal ka niya, kay gula-gulanit yung damit mo, kay meron kang eye bags, kay mabango ka, kay naliligo ka, kay nasa Boracay ka o nasa Boracay ka, kay Starbucks ang iniinom mo o 3-in-1, ang Diyos mahal ka every step of the way, every moment of your life. So stop comparing yourself, your behind the scenes, to the social media life of other people. And start loving yourself, walk your own journey, and bless the world. That's tip number 3. And I'll give you tip number 4 tomorrow. God bless you.